integral of special functions of fourth type we are going to learn. Already we have learned 3 types. Those information I'll give in the description box. If you want, kindly go through it. Now let's learn the fourth one. The fourth one says that integration of dx over square root of x square minus a square is nothing but log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c we are going to get. For this we should apply the transformation x is equals to a secant theta, because directly we cannot integrate this expression. We have to simplify this thing. Okay, for that we have to use this transformation, because if I apply this transformation, it will be converting into in the form of secant square theta minus tan square theta. This expression allow us to simplify this thing. Okay, that's why we have to take this transformation. I hope everyone clears here. Next, I'm going to shift this a this side, so that secant theta is nothing but x by a and theta is nothing but secant inverse of x by a I'm going to get. Okay, now differentiate this part. What I'm going to get here, dx is equals to a secant theta into tan theta d theta I'm going to get. Now replace this two expression in the above formula, so that I'm going to get this expression. In the denominator you can take a square as common, so that I'm going to get a here. Okay, next secant square theta minus 1 I'm going to get in the denominator. Okay, which is nothing but tan square theta I can write by using secant square minus tan square theta formula. Here I have written. No, this is an important formula. This formula we are going to use entire this solution. Okay, kindly focus about this thing. Okay, next, after applying this formula, we are going to get integration of tan square theta. Again, square and root can be cancelled out, so I'm going to get here tan theta. Also a we can cancel out. Okay, so that I'm going to get this expression here. Again, we can cancel tan theta, so that secant theta will be remaining part. Here you can see secant theta we have, and also integration of secant theta we can get this formula here. Okay, and this formula also I had explained in the previous video. I'll give the information about this also in the description box. Kindly go through it. Okay, now since we have the formula secant theta is nothing but, here we have secant theta is nothing but x by a, this thing I'm going to substitute here, so that I'll be getting this value here. Next, tan theta we have to write in terms of x. For that, again I'm going to use the formula secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, which is here tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta minus 1 I can write. Here again secant theta can be replaced by x by a, which is nothing but x square by a square minus 1. Okay, that is what I have written it here. Okay, this 2, if I shift other side, it will become square root. Okay, I have understood till here. If you have any doubts, kindly type in the comment box. Okay, next, this step I am going to get. Okay, after adding both the term, I can have a by b form here. So capital A is nothing but this numerator term, and capital B is nothing but this term. Okay, how we got this term is by applying log formula. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. That is what I have written it here. Okay, plus c. Next, if you add up this two term, I'm going to get another constant c here. As it is, I can write, and this is how we got this formula. I hope everyone understood. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.